I've had a lot of questions from students about using transparent watercolors as opposed to opaque watercolors, and there are advantages in both. The beauty of transparent watercolors is that the white of the paper shines through and gives the painting a lovely luminescent look. But there are advantages of using both, and I do use both in my watercolors, and I'm going to demonstrate to you the advantage of using opaques over transparent watercolors. So I did this simple little sketch with a night scene with the transparent background and just doing a few small twigs and trees, and I'm going to attempt to transform this by using some opaque watercolors. Because it's a night scene, if I used another transparent watercolor on this, it would just fade into it and you wouldn't see it and would have no effect. But I'm going to show you how by using an opaque color, it's going to sit on top of the transparent watercolor background and make the scene pop out. So I'm using the same color but in two different paints. I'm using Winsor & Newton golden ochre, and I'm going to use some gouache, which is even more opaque than the regular watercolors, and it's a slightly darker color of golden ochre. I'm going to get two different colors there, which will give it some interest. So I'm going to just tap this, get some leaves going here. Now you see, if I did this with a transparent watercolor, it just would not have the same effect, and I just want to show you how using opaque colors can be advantageous sometimes. And I just want to, now I'm going to go over and we'll do some down here on the, just want to let that run a little bit, and then I'm going to use the darker gouache. Now gouache is I know the purists wouldn't mix, but I mix a lot of my watercolors. I even put acrylics in sometimes to get textures, because I love doing textures. And you see, this is a darker golden ochre, the gouache. I'm going to let a teeny bit more water in that. So you're going to get two different colors there. Just put a bit more over here. Just want to get the top a bit heavier, and I think that will improve that. There. It's just a little demonstration in how sometimes using opaque colors helps to make the painting pop, or how to use opaque colors over a transparent color so that you get the effect that you want, which you wouldn't have got by adding another transparent watercolor over the darker transparent watercolor here. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.